playoffs, even though it's the last spot.
Our kids get to play, that's the most important thing. And handle the other stuff. Our kids get to play, that's the most important thing. Oh.
Did you ever think this moment, you would feel like this after all that's going on?
Coach, is it fair?
Yeah, Coach Matt! Our kids get to play, it's fair. Our kids get to play, it's fair. That's the most fair.
What do you say to my kids, these former football players? What do you tell them?
Same thing I told them all along. It's not your fault. They've made the right decision letting our kids play.
Are you going to go tell your kids, or are you going to tweet them or text them right now?
I don't even know how to tweet. But I'm gonna go back to school and enjoy this with my kids.
I think they already know, though, right now.
I'm sure they do. Thank you, guys.
How do you feel right now?
I mean, I need time to process all this stuff, but my biggest thing, and I've stood for this all along, to give my kids a chance to play, and that's the most important thing. I didn't care where it was or how it was. I just wanted them to have a chance to play because they're innocent.
Is that why you get so emotional?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you going back and talk to